When you work with dates, occasionally what you'll want to do is to take components, so the day, month, year, and make it into a valid Excel date. So in this example, we've taken employees' date of birth, we've split it into the day, month, year, because we know we're going to pay their bonus on the 25th of their month of birth in the current year. Now the problem is we can't just use a concatenate because you have to be very specific and it will only work on certain computers. So we have to use the concatenate equivalent for dates, and that function is actually just called date. And what's nice about this function is it's very specific. It just asks you for the year, the month, and the day. So in this example, I'm going to say there's the year. The month is the one we've extracted from here, so it's the month of birth. And the day, let's say, is the 25th. You'll see that it takes those numbers, converts it into an Excel-friendly date number, and then it formats it for us based on whatever the formatting of that cell is. So when I say OK, I can now copy this across, and you'll see it creates a date, but most importantly it's a valid Excel date, which means that I can format it pretty much any style I want. So if I prefer that format, it'll change only because it's a valid date.